Welcome back to Arts Core. In this video, I have another color pencil tutorial. As usual, all the materials are listed in the description box below. To start off, take something circular and trace the circle out. Then draw the following guidelines for the basic sketch of the bird. Now take black and color in the shown areas. Take ultramarine and draw small strokes in the shown areas. If you don't have this color, you can also use dark blue. Now take non-photo blue or any light blue to color in the following areas. Now take ultramarine once again to darken up the areas around the head. Start making cluster of small strokes in the bottom area for the feathers. Also, keep in mind that this bottom layer is going to have multiple layers and various different colors. Continue doing the same thing with black. Make sure to stay mostly in the middle area though. Now take the non-photo blue or light blue and continue making the same strokes, but this time make sure you make these strokes throughout the entire bottom area. Now take ultramarine one more time and only apply it in the middle section, but remember to use the same strokes that you did for the previous layers. Take white and start blending in the strokes of the head. Also make sure to go in the direction of the strokes applied earlier. Once you're at the bottom part, blend out this entire area. Now take the ultramarine and darken up the following areas. Make sure to apply individual strokes and not blend in the color together while making this layer. Apply the last layer of black in this area. Now take dark umber and color in the areas of the feet. Once you have applied the color, use white to blend it out. Make another layer with dark umber. And remember to only color in the shown areas. At this point, take a white gel pen and start adding highlights. Start with the eye and the feet, and then work your way around the feathers. Once that is done, take a pencil and shade in the area below the bird. This is for the shadow. Then use a brush or paper stump to blend this area out. And this is what the final drawing looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and share your drawings with me on Instagram so I can feature them on my story.